How to create a dashboard in Wrike. Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can create a dashboard in Wrike, so kindly watch till the end. So, what do you do first? The first thing you do is to log in into your Wrike account, just like I have done here. And then once you're logged in, you'll be brought to the home page automatically. So on the home page, you'll see different options. You'll see your marketing team, that is the team you're on at the top part of the screen, and then what's the tax for the team, the table, the different kind of views that you can see on the page. And then by the left side of the screen as well, you see other functions. Once you can see all of this, the next step is to move to the left side of the screen where you can see a menu. In this menu, you can see the search option, you can see inbox, and then you can see the more option. Once you see this, just click on it. Once you click on more, another menu will be displayed. In this menu, you see options like dashboards, my to-do, request forms, team sheet, timesheet, reports, calendars, etc. Just go ahead and click on dashboards. After clicking on dashboards, the page would load and then you'll be taken to the dashboards page. But first of all, wait for it patiently to load. Okay. So once that's loaded, you'll see the new dashboard um, option at the top part of the screen. Then you see the option to pin the dashboard to dashbar, and then you can see the owner of the admin. Then you can see change layout. Now here you can now customize this dashboard to suit your taste. First of all, you can change the title. It could be for example, meeting bird. All right, you can leave it that way. Then you can also add more members by clicking on this option. You can change the layout of the dashboard. You can share it. You can copy the link of the dashboard. And by the time you click on the more options button, you can either rename, replicate, move, or delete. And then you can now add widgets to your dashboard to monitor your projects, track your team's progress, and more. And then you can do that by clicking on the add widget. And here you'll be taken to the different kind of widgets. Okay, you can see the recommended, you can see the tax, you can see project. Just go and move around this, go around this, and then once you're done, your project or your dashboard, sorry, will be created. So this is basically how to do it. This is how you can create dashboard on Wrike. Just follow these procedures and then customize the dashboards to suit your taste. Thanks for watching and ensure you have a good day.